I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Chamberlain remote control. This process will probably also work on a Craftsman or a LiftMaster remote control. I'm going to remove the clip that's on the back. There are no screws. There's basically two plastic shells that are stuck together, and you have to pry them apart. There's two little prying areas, and you have to stick something in both of them one at a time and pry the two pieces apart. Some people like to use the clip itself. I find that it's not strong enough and it tends to damage the plastic. So instead, I'm going to use a big flathead screwdriver and I'll stick it in those slots and just pry it until it starts to come apart. It'll feel like it's not going to come apart, but just keep trying. And it kind of came apart quickly there in the end. It's now in a bunch of pieces, but don't worry. You could take this opportunity to clean these buttons right here if they look dirty. I have this circuit board that flew out. I could just press it back onto one of the plastic pieces. It fits perfectly and snaps into place. From that point, I can then pry off the battery. It is a DL2032. A CR2032 is also compatible, though the DL is known to last a little bit longer. Doing this battery change will not make it so that you have to reprogram the remote for your garage door opener. It remembers what garage door it's assigned to, even if you take the battery out. Reassembling it is pretty easy. Those buttons go right into place and everything just snaps perfectly back together. And that's it. Have a great day.